Welcome my lovely viewers and my lovely subscriber. Welcome guys if you are new here also. Guys, today we're going to make lunch. And we're going to make Jack Mackerel with white dumpling. I'm going to need dumpling and I have my peppers and onion over here guys. I have my frying pan over here and my pot over here with water. So I'm going to start by kneading my dumpling. I put on my stove. So I'm going to start by washing my hands and knead my dumpling guys. So this is about 2 pounds of flour. It's for me and my sister, my niece and my other friend. So we're gonna start by kneading our dumplings. Just a little bit. It's not coming out. Okay, just a little bit. That's it. So guys, I'm gonna wash my hands and knead my dumpling now guys. So stay tuned. So okay guys, I'm stirring up my flour with the little salt I put inside. Not much I put in, just a little bit. So I'm gonna add my water. Almost finished. Almost finished. So guys, I'm gonna set this aside and I'm gonna cut up my peppers and onions for my fish. So the water I used for the 2 pounds of flour was 2 cups of water. So see guys, so my dumpling is ready. I'm just gonna set it aside now. I'm gonna set that aside. I'm gonna cover it with a clean towel and I'm gonna do the rest. I'm gonna cut up. I'm gonna do my onions and stuff now guys. I'm gonna wash my hands and be right back. Okay guys, I'm cutting my garlic. That's my garlic, guys. I'm gonna cut 2 slices of the Scotch bonnet. And these Scotch bonnet, I bring them from Jamaica, guys. I'm gonna put everything. Because it's fish, and you want to taste the pepper in the fish when you're cooking it. Okay guys, I'm going to wash my peppers now. So now I'm going to start cutting my peppers. Okay guys, so now all my peppers are finished cutting. I'm gonna make my dumplings now, and I'm gonna, after I finish my dumplings, I'm gonna start looking about my fish. Okay, so I finish everything. Okay guys, I'm making my dumpling. You have to stir them up a little bit, move them around in the pot so they don't stick. Two more. Just two more dumplings. This is the last one, guys. I'm gonna put it in and then stir it up again to make sure they're not sticking in the bottom. They are white dumplings, so you know. So okay, guys, I'm gonna let that boil up before I add my okra. I'm gonna add a few okras in there. So stay tuned, guys. So okay, guys, so my dumplings are cooking over here with my okra. I'm just gonna give it another small stir up so they don't stick in the bottom. Okay, they're all good. So my dumplings will be cooking soon. I'm gonna start doing my Jack mackerel now, guys. I'm gonna start frying up my onion and stuff over here on the other side. So just stay tuned as I add my coconut oil to the pot. Okay. So this is quarter cup of coconut oil. Add a little bit more. So now I'm gonna add my onion soon. Just let it heat up a little bit, not too much. Okay, guys, I'm gonna add my onion to my oil. It's well hot. A little hotter than that, but it's not too hot, so Turn up the stove a little bit more. So okay guys, I'm gonna add my garlic now. I'm gonna let it fry up a little bit more before I add my tomato and my peppers. Okay guys, I'm gonna add my tomatoes. And these tomatoes is from my sister's garden. She picked them last week and leave them here and I used them, so I didn't have any tomato to use, so I just used them. And they are so juicy and nice. Organic tomatoes. You just only use the compost on them. Start adding my peppers. Now I'm going to add my peppers. I have 3 colors. Add everything. Just keep this alone now guys. I could just fry up this and eat it just right there. Okay, I'm going to add my Scotch bonnet pepper. Stir it again. I'm going to add a little black pepper to my seasoning before I add my Jack Mackerel. Just going to add a little black pepper to my seasoning, just a little bit. I'm going to turn on the stove a little bit more. I'm going to open my fish now. I'm going to open my Jack Mackerel. So I have 2 tin over here guys. I'm using 2 tin. I'm going to clean the cover. Clean this one also. Add them one at a time. Ooh, they're big. fish are big. Oh. Okay guys, I open on my fish and put the gravy all over them and let them heat up for a while. We can suck up some of the gravy and the oil, good old coconut oil. Okay guys, I'm gonna leave this for a few minutes. I'm gonna add a little bit more black pepper to it. On the fish now, I'm gonna add some black pepper. Not much. I'm not adding any more seasoning to it. I have a lot of gravy to eat the dumplings. So we're gonna make them heat up a little bit, and then I turn off my stove. Okay. So give it another minute or a minute and a half before I do that. So okay guys, we're gonna share our lunch now. Who is here? Me and my sister and her daughter is here, so we're gonna share our lunch until the other rest of people come. I will give them theirs. So we're adding 2 dumplings each first. Okay guys, so this is the finished product of our Jack Mackerel and dumpling guys. So there's 3 plates here for me, my sister and her daughter. So guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe please if you want to see more of us of our videos guys. So remember, like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. God bless you. See you guys in our next video.